I will show you how to find out your iPad's Wi-Fi network password in this video. So let's begin the video. First, in your iPad, you need to click an Open Settings icon. And next, you need to click the Wi-Fi tab that you see on the screen. And again, on the right hand side of the screen, you have the Wi-Fi section. Click and open it. And here, in this screen, you have the Wi-Fi password, which is hidden by default for security reasons. You need to click on it to open the hidden password, which will prompt you to either type in your iPad passcode or use your Face ID to view it. Once you complete the security check, the Wi-Fi network password will be visible like this. I'm sure you loved the video, and with this we have come to the end of this iPad video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Drop a comment below if you have questions or thoughts.